Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with techbud Solutions. So I am on my way right now back to pretty much a dealership where they sell Can-Ams. I'm from California, so let's see. I am completely new to the idea of Can-Ams. I'm not from Arizona. I don't know if that's just because I grew up in Orange County. I didn't grow up with any of this or any of outdoor type of vehicles. So pretty much I bought a Can-Am. One of the things that we do as a team together is we normally go out on the weekends, and due to the coronavirus, the team has been very motivated. They've been doing extremely well, but all together there is nothing that they really look forward to on the weekend. So what I wanted to do is buying a Can-Am, being able to take the boys out to the desert, and instead of going out because of this unfortunate time, I at least wanted to spend quality time and do fun things and kind of reward them, but also myself when it comes down to having fun in what it is that we do, and of course more content for you guys. So I bought a Can-Am today. I bought it to the best of my abilities, below MSRP, and below MSRP out the door. So I'll be talking a little bit more about that, and I'm really excited to share this experience with you guys. What do you think, Big West?
We're here to ride now. We can ride later, but we're just gonna ride now. So that's why we're here. We're now to ride now. Come follow me, I'm gonna take you on the tour of the campus. We got ZFRs to our left.
YFZs?
YFZs, I'm dyslexic. We're here to buy a Can-Am. Maverick.
Should we go check it out?
Yeah, it's this way.
Now I'm gonna show you where I sit.
All right. Yeah, that's where he sits.
This is my spot.
And I sit in the back.
You know, Rick's not gonna let anyone drive this thing but him. This looks like a good place to die.
Very good place to die.
Vini, Vici, they need answers, I'm Rafiki. The devil tried me, so I put him underneath me. I do not surrender, choose, kill me, not free me. Moving through the night, we came to fight, don't make it easy, hold up. Got an army full of gladiators, monsters. Hairdressers, guys looking like some rosters. Honestly, there ain't enough power on your roster. You and your mob, we are just some flash mobsters. Turn